Hey everyone, what's going on? Today, I've got a story for you, a tech tornado that has literally shaken the entire gadget world to its core. Think back to that era when holding a Nokia in your hand meant pure peace of mind, because we all knew that phone was built like a brick, absolutely indestructible. And now, when technology is at its absolute peak, the same Nokia, that same trustworthy name, is making a comeback with a brand new identity. But this time, it's not just about being tough, it's geared up and ready to take on every major flagship on the planet. That's right, we're talking about the Nokia X Max 5G, a device that's about to set a new standard of power in the mid-budget segment, and whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or an Apple iPhone, it's going to remind them all of their place. So, if you're a tech enthusiast, stick with me on this thrilling ride, because this video is going to be nothing short of a Hollywood thriller. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. Display. Wow, guys, the moment you unlock this phone's face for the first time, you'll think, am I dreaming? Because it features a massive 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display, paired with a stunning 2K resolution. That means every pixel is so crisp and sharp, you'll want to reach out and touch it. When you watch a movie or a web series on this, the story will literally come to life right in front of your eyes. And for all you gamers out there, this is pure heaven, because it boasts an insane 144Hz refresh rate, meaning every single move in your game flows like a deep, smooth breath, with absolutely zero lag or stutter. With a 410Hz touch sampling rate, your finger taps are registered faster than lightning, whether you're deep into PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, or diving into epic RPG adventures. The bezel-less design and the in-display fingerprint sensor make it so futuristic, you'll feel like you're living in the year 2030. The moment you hold this phone, it just adds a whole new level of cool and confidence to your personality. DSLR-level camera setup. Now, let me talk about that unique weapon that sets this phone apart from every other, its quad camera setup. Imagine this, guys, you look at your camera sensor and realize it's a whopping 300 megapixels. Yes, you read that absolutely right, 300 megapixels. This is the kind of camera that captures everything beautifully, from the surface of the moon to the deepest corners of your dreams. Alongside it, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens to capture the full breadth of the scene, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens to bring distant objects up close, and an 8-megapixel macro lens to capture the delicate petals of a flower or the intricate details of someone's eyes. In the dead of night, this camera truly shines, because Nokia has packed in super night vision technology that turns pitch-black darkness into bright, vivid light. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 64-megapixel front camera, so every pose, every sunset, every party vibe is ready for your Instagram feed, making you look like a total influencer. Performance. To handle all this massive power, the heart of this phone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, the most powerful processor on the planet right now. Whether you're opening 100 apps simultaneously, editing 4K videos without any hiccups, or playing heavy-duty games like Genshin Impact on high graphics, this phone runs smoother than butter, without heating up or slowing down. And when it comes to software, we're talking about clean, bloatware-free Android 17, just you and your speed, no useless apps cluttering your experience. You'll feel like you're flying through the air, and multitasking is so effortless, it's like juggling 7 tasks at once, and the phone just says, bring it on. Battery. Now, let's talk battery, because everyone wants a companion that never gives up on them. The Nokia X Max 5G packs a beastly 7500 mAh battery, giving you more than 2 days of comfort on a single charge. Whether you're binging movies all night or gaming non-stop, this battery won't let you down. And when it does get low, the 125-watt super fast charging juice it up from 0 to 100% in just 20-25 minutes. That means, plug it in before your morning shower, and by the time you're ready, your phone is fully charged and ready to roll. Price and launch date. Alright guys, now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the price. Despite all these mind-blowing features, leaks suggest that this phone could launch at around $990 in the US market. If Nokia goes with this price point, it's going to be a massive shock to the mid-budget market, and companies like Samsung and Apple might just have to go back to the drawing board and rethink their strategies. It's expected to drop sometime later this year, and it's going to create absolute chaos in the tech world. With such incredible technology at such an accessible price, this really is a steal. So, big question here, can the Nokia X Max 5G really steal the sleep of Samsung and Apple? Will its 300-megapixel camera, 144Hz display, and 7500 mAh battery make it the biggest game changer of 2026? Drop a comment below and let me know which feature blows your mind the most: the camera, the display, the performance, the battery, or the price. I really want to hear your thoughts.